What's going on everyone and welcome to this video. I hope you all are enjoying my tutorials. So today I am here to announce the new tutorial series. Maybe I will name it as AWS Audio Analysis. So before we start with this series, I have come up with an architecture diagram, right? So as you can see on my screen, this is how it looks, right? So the reason I am starting with an architecture diagram is to give you an overall idea about the flow, right? So ideally we are going to transcribe the audio, and this is the first chunk of the tutorial series, right? So this is the first chunk. So the flow will be like we will drop a file into this audio directory, right, and it will trigger the lambda function and it will create the transcribe job, and the transcription will be saved in this transcribe file directory within the same S3 bucket, right? So as I said, this is the first chunk of the tutorial series, right? As and when we finish this chunk, I'm going to extend this series further and introduce Comprehend, Athena, and maybe AWS Glue and QuickSight, right? So once we are done with this chunk, I'm going to come back with another chunk of architecture diagram, right? So as you can see the arrow here, right? So we are going to extend this diagram, I mean the architecture diagram further, right? By introducing new services, right? So hence this is going to be end-to-end tutorial from dropping an audio file to see some visuals on QuickSight, right? So this tutorial series is going to be a bit long, but I will try to keep the individual tutorial video as short as possible so no one gets bored with the video, right? Long videos. So anyways, that's it for now, and stay tuned. It's exciting for me. I hope it is excited for you too, right? So last but not least, please don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to click on that bell icon to stay up to date with the series, and see you next time.